No, southeast.
Southeast.
Southwest, actually. Southwest? Yeah.
Is there any contact in those buildings up ahead?
Yeah, never mind.
Gee, sorry, we got
Sorry,
close.
Ron.
Oh, no worries. Any contact here, or is it just right?
As far as I know, we are now front lines as
Southwest.
of this tree.
Okay.
We are southwest of spawn. Southwest of
You can pull,
spawn.
yeah. Let's see, let's find out where the hell we are.
Fucking mic system, I swear to God.
These aren't too bad.
Yeah. I gotta get on
It has like sound, I mean, it's kind of muffled, but it has sound ambient. Oh shit, we're near.
Alright, building unit
Oh,
directly.
so if we push up,
We have friendlies up there, so if we push up.
Building unit directly.
this building is this one right here, sorry.
of
This
spawn.
rectangle, right?
Down from that unit, one more unit.
That's uptown, okay. If we what?
This building up ahead, that's the small one or this one?
We're at the end of the curved road by the spawn, so if you could
I think it might be
follow the
small
road
one.
from spawn, there's one that curves. You'll hear that. We're at the end of that curved road.
Oh fuck! Hey, there's an enemy right there. God damn it!
2 hands. Where's your tourniquet?
I didn't even look. I should have looked.
Do you want to get someone to take point?
When you call on radio, say your name first and then call. What the fuck are they?
Jeez. Here, hold up. Let's move further back.
You know how I know?
How?
It's not shotgun.
Oh,
I was like, wait a minute.
oh, Umbrella Army. Dang, dude. Did it hurt? No.
Are you confused by my colors? Because I have blue bands.
You came out.
Okay, so if you
Came
pop
out
your
like
head,
this.
you'll see
Yeah,
a
yeah.
gray
And then I
outline.
saw the
See that wooden door that,
Oh, okay.
right?
That's
Okay,
alright.
that wooden door I
Alright, so we're
saw
supposed to
him
push
go
it
out
Okay.
and back through.
Are we?
Okay, so that's where I've been shooting there, and then the one to
Yeah.
the right past that one.
The objective's somewhere over.
Right at the end of the corner. So those two doors are
We're actually near.
That's where I've been shooting.
We're actually kind
And you
of.
pop their head and pop them back in.
We like take.
Wait, that's on the right.
Yeah. So if I look at it this way, that's on our left, like that way.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I wish you could turn this map around, but
Right. So that's how it orients right now?
Yeah.
So we're supposed to be pushing that way?
yeah, that way.
Slightly left. Can you show me that way really quick? Yeah, right when we get to the intersection, big shit again.
So like,
Okay.
where do you want to?
Shane, where
Like
you
over
at
here?
over? Shane, where
Oh,
you
there's a map in the crossroads?
Yeah, there's one.
Dang.
Over there. So
Let's do that.
Do you want to push that one?
yeah, we'll push
Yeah,
that
let's
one.
do it that way.
Let's follow the Umbrella Armory.
Yep.
Yo, Nano, when you call on $1 radio,
That's. Oh, yeah, that's good. Yep. The building what we done last time, alright, just pull that way. Alright.
Wait, is the crossroads just up ahead? That
Right
map?
here. So we're gonna push into that building first.
Alright.
Yo, that guy's wearing blue. He's shooting someone's gun. He's shooting that way? Yeah. Look at him. Yeah, the guy in the window?
Having the CMU just down below.
Sure.
See where the tag, the graffiti tag with the hat is?
Oh, I see it. Okay.
There's a guy down below there.
Go to the center building. Go to the center building. Third window. Yep.
From the
Right. Right, yep. Peek from the bottom left. Yep, you see him?
wait, that guy's. Is he waving because he's friendly, or is he waving?
Yeah. Blue, Derek! They haven't pointed gun to us, but. Hey, can you look on the map and see if there's like 3 people supposed to be up right there?
Yeah.
Don't want to shoot him.
Do you see the one at the CMU in the base floor? Not that building you were looking at, but to the right?
The one on the right, far right?
Correct, right side.
Yeah, there's a building in there. I saw a blue armband.
Is that one of these? One of those ones?
Yeah, I scoped the blue armband on that. And Bannock, it's Phil.
Okay.
What are we with?
That guy like lying down or whatever he's doing?
This is called the
Uptown.
Crossroads. Uptown?
Yeah, uptown.
Right there, Jordan, take him. Low, take him. Take him.
Oh, it's high.
Oh my. Just dropping them.
Cool, those things sound good.
He's down. Hang on, he's up. Cool.
Yeah, we're southeast of Uptown.
So I'm pretty sure that building's hot, dude.
There's someone in that second window of that building. You see him?
It looks like there's some friendlies in there. I mean, let's see.
Hey, do you see the building on the right side? Second window from the right. There's someone in that window.
That's
see him?
friendly.
That's friendly?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's what the guy downstairs.
Oh, that's what he was shooting at. Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right.
But as for the building to the left, I don't know.
Bannock, copy Bannock.
You see it right here on the map, look. So right here, that's that building.
Okay, yeah. So that right, this far right building right here,
Yeah.
up right there, that's friendly. This middle one, yeah, you're saying there's 2 guys in there, but black means he's dead, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does.
So I'm guessing our teammates are in the back end of it, and that front room is still hot.
Okay, do we just want to move up this one to this building? Or do we want to like cross
Well,
this
right
one?
there, because there's no blue, I would assume this is all hot
Yeah.
too. So it might be ideal for us to get into those corners buildings so we can see if anyone pushes up on us.
Yeah.
Derek's in that building right there.
But you have to realize we're kind of pushing up we'll be surrounded on like a 75% front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's only like, what, 4 of us?
Yeah. I mean, I got a little bit of firepower.
Just switch it to full auto. Shh.
Yeah, I got full.
What are you running, GMO too? Oh no, you're running fucking.
So that's what I got. And I can turn it up with an app. I can make it shoot faster.
Oh, that's tight. Yeah, I'm running a Spectre.
This is a
Second window, second window,
G&D.
second window, third window.
Oh,
Third window from the left.
okay. Picking up his bed? Yeah.
Where are they for?
Or is he just like...
Both of them, both of them. Right window.
No, there.
Oh, they're both good.
See that camera right there?
I see him, but
Let me...
I don't know.
Should we push up to this building?
You got a friendly in the building right in front of us and a friendly in the building to your right. Just one each.
Should we push up there, or you guys want to stay put here?
No, push forward.
Donut, let's go.
Keep an eye on your right.
Here, I'm gonna go around, I think. Oh, yeah.
Blue team.
Blue coming in.
Blue team coming in.
Blue, blue. The hell is all this? Swearing. We got friendlies kind of all over the place.
Really?
So we're here.
Yeah.
We got friendlies directly, what is that?
To our front.
Across the street here.
Yeah.
Turn
and
left.
in those buildings.
Yeah.
We could take this objective if everybody.
But the thing is,
There's not enough people with the map
Yeah.
on the square.
no, discard. Discard, dude. Should we push up along here? To this
Yeah.
corner?
Push across.
I mean, maybe.
Where?
There's some here, I don't know. Like, what's the radius of this thing?
I don't know.
Stats.
I think we have to be right on it, or like.
Oh, shoot, they're kicking our ass.
I'm looking right.
Really?
Yeah, we got 1768 tickets. They have 2114.
God. It's because they have so many more people than us.
They have a freaking vehicle, which doesn't help.
Yeah.
We're outside over here.
Yo, there's a jet brought over like 8 dudes, and they're all pushing up for our right.
Oh, we could push into the middle right here. Then.
Yeah, so they're covering our right, and they're trying to flank.
All right.
Technically, we're taking a more direct approach, but...
Is that guy okay? What is he doing?
What?
He's like laying down in the middle of the road.
He's dead? I guess he's dead.
You guys standing?
Yeah. Oh, he was like bending over, like hacking something.
That's Mike right there, I think.
So this cross right here is our objective.
That's the, yeah.
You think that's Mike?
Yeah. The guy, you know, the tan guy?
In the window? Yeah. Well, he's wearing a black hat anyway.
That thing sounds nice.
He's just been sitting there, though.
Who? So on the map, it looks like we have friendlies in these buildings.
Yeah.
There's a friendly in that building.
Yeah.
Second window from the right. However, there's an enemy in that building.
Look. All right, check it. Look.
We just wanna.
That's the building, right?
We wanna
It's right here.
squad up
How is
with
it?
all.
Yeah,
them
let's push
there.
with them.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, let's squad up with all them.
All right, should we just... I don't want to get shot in the open. Blue?
Yeah.
Mike, I'm going over here.
What's up? Is there any contact here?
I don't know. Is Jet in it, or who's over here?
Here, hold the phone.
Hey, Jordan. Yeah, we don't have too many friendlies up here.
Is there none to our north?
There's a couple up there.
Jordan. Yep. What's up?
We got green pushing up our left too. No, dude, stuff on a metal shingle.
Seeing no one.
Hey, Donut, I'm pushing up in that building directly in front of us.
Roger, on your rear.
Woo! First one. Alright.
You got him?
Yeah, there's one in here and one in here.
To both buildings?
So this building is friendly. Two in the building to your left.
Two left.
There's one in here.
Did you get that one or no?
So I got the one on the corner. There's one in this room right here too.
If you want, when they clear out the back end, we can all sweep this.
Let's do this. So friendly's here.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Is it a long range gun? No, you do not.
Contact!
Hey, I need a long range gun. Jordan!
Hello.
Hey, push forward on this building. Keep pushing this way. What's up? Keep pushing this way, but you got enemies in your building to the left over here.
Donut on you. Yo. Any visual? Jeez.
We should push into this building. One of us is gonna die. I will volunteer to go first.
Should we hop over or go around?
There's no going that way.
Oh, there's no.
No, I mean, look at that. Do you have visual on your building that way? That looks like fucking nightmare.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the fuck are we? Oh, dude, rally. It's about even, huh? If we take that one, it's even.
Yeah, we're
Yep.
Back up on me out here.
We gotta take these two.
Copy. I gotta like move really slow.
So is
on my
this
right
one
leg
to
right
our
now.
left?
It like hurts a lot, but
Yeah, to our left.
Okay. So we got a friendly in there right now.
He needs help capturing it.
yeah, I don't think he can cap it unless if there's someone else on the cap, it won't.
Hey, we have
Friendlies where?
friendlies on that objective over here.
So that, keep pushing that wall.
Oh, my back.
Yeah.
Watch this. Let me know if you guys move.
We're making a big push across the map. Like our whole team is like going sweeping.
Let's follow.
Yeah, we could just follow and go like to that objective or go to the one to our right. I say we should help that guy over there.
Oh, I'm not doing that. Oh!
Cramp up, Mr. CEO.
Oh, what did I click?
You cramp up.
Comp check, can you hear me?
Come on. Again?
Comp check, can you hear me?
No, my ankle's fine. Just my fucking
Do you mind send me one real quick?
leg.
Com check. Com check.
Yeah, here.
You hold together.
Need help?
Me.
Oh, my fucking leg.
Nothing's going right.
Just go down the hall.
There's a door for me to go down there.
It's not as tactical.
Rear security. You watch right. I should send you in first. But why don't you go here? I'll go there, and we'll meet inside.
10-4.
You follow him on the outside. You follow me inside. When we clear line of sight, you follow us.
You know I can't run, right?
Well, I'm-
So.
Dude, we got green moving right there.
Oh, fuck.
We got green splinking our rear.
Let's get inside so we can see it.
There's about 3 of them.
Okay. We got 2 more. We got 2 more. Hands in front of us.
Is that friendly straight ahead?
What's up?
Is that friendly?
Yeah, it's friendly. So we're still pretty pushed up.
Where's the objective at? That way.
So 3 blue just went into that building.
Alright, so this is where we're at. We just go to our left that way.
So door.
Yeah.
That's the building right there.
Yeah, not that way.
Alright, so 3 friendlies just went into that building. We made it. That guy's just walking. I'm gonna say, fan out. Jordan! I'm missing 2. Blue! Blue, move up! Pushing the cross.
Do you guys hear donut?
We're pushing across.
You hear chatter in that building?
Right there.
Do you hear chatter in that building?
It's starting to feel
We got friendlies up there that
Is that what it is?
Alright, listen up. You 3 are gonna go on that building right there, on the outside. Us 3 are gonna go on that building. Together, we're going to move across, space out, quickly, get inside, that's the purpose. It's 2-storied right in front of us. Right, Mapkeeper? That's where we're supposed to go? Alright. Alright, you 3 push up on that building, you lead to that building.
anyone on it?
There's friendlies in that second square right there.
So we're gonna just run over there. Go. Let's go.
Ready? On you. Was that George?
That's Jordan right there in the back.
Jordan, okay.
They're supposed to be on the outside.
Here, I can calm him. Hold up. Donut, come in, Donut.
Roger.
Yeah, he wants us to push from the outside.
Roger. I think the objective is down the street right in front of us. I don't know if it's that same building.
Alright, let's go that way then. Coming here.
Coming to them?
Yeah, coming here.
10-4, we're coming to you from your left. Moving.